the Edgerton Public Library, ready for another reading adventure club. I want to share our packet with you and give you some reading ideas for the week. This week, the week of December 14th, our packet has to do with the letter O. Okay. And inside you'll find a writing prompt. Again, if you have missed a page, we would be happy to copy some back pages for you, but our prompt has to do with the letter O. And inside you'll also find directions and all the materials to make an ornament. So I'm sure you can find a place to hang that inside or outside of your house. We also have all the materials and instructions for you to make some origami. So that's the Japanese art of paper folding, and each packet will have a variety of different papers. Here at the Edgerton Public Library, we have a lot of books about origami. So perhaps this month, or this week, excuse me, as we think about letter O, you might want to try your hand at lots of origami. And you can check out those books through parking lot pickup, by giving us a call, or stopping in during our open hours. Maybe you want to read about opossums. There's still a few of those out as we head into winter. Interesting animal. Or owls. Owls start with the letter O. And we have lots of different books about owls, or different kinds of owls. Here's one on the snowy owl. And we have the great horned owl. The color orange and the fruit start with letter O. This book, Orange, is part of a series on different colors. So maybe this week you want to read about orange. Another animal that starts with letter O is the octopus. We have a couple books from our nonfiction section about octopuses, but we also have some books that are made-up stories. So here's one from the Easy Reader section by Denny Kazet, and one called Love, Agnes, Postcards from an Octopus. And the author of that is Irene Latham. Some of our character books we organize by the name of the character rather than the author. So Olivia is one of those. Here's a good one as we head into the season of winter. Olivia Builds a Snow Lady. Those are from our picture book section, and then we have some Olivia books in our Easy Reader section as well. Fancy Nancy is written by the author Jane O'Connor, and we have some Fancy Nancy books in our chapter book section, in our Easy Reader section, as well as the picture books. So if you're a Fancy Nancy fan, we have those at many reading levels. Here's a fun chapter book series, Shark School by the author Davy Ocean. So there's 5 books that we have in that series. The Magic Treehouse series has certainly been popular for kids for many years. The author Mary Pope Osborne has written those, and there's new ones that are still being published. And you can read them in order if you want, or read them out of order. But we have lots of those. Galaxy Zack. There's another series written by the author whose last name starts with letter O. And then I want to share some books with you by the author Ariel North Olsen. So Ariel North is the daughter of Sterling North, and her married name is Ariel North Olsen. And we have quite a few books by her here in our library. The Lighthouse Keeper's Daughter, here's one. Noah's Cats and the Devil's Fire. More Bones, this is a collection of scary stories. And then Hurry Home Grandma. And I want to point out this one has a Christmas sticker, so that's a Christmas book. And here in the month of December, I do want to give a shout out to Gifts for Kids, who has given us some supplies to put together little packets with candy and some Christmas-oriented little puzzles. So we'll have those for you if you want here when you pick up your Reading Adventure packet. There's also some stickers in there. So thanks to Gifts for Kids for letting us put those out for you. So lots of reading ideas for you that have to do with the letter O, but we have lots and lots of other books. I hope you'll come in for some browsing time or a parking lot pickup and keep on reading. Stay safe, everyone, and hello from the library. Bye-bye.